And folks, on the day's show, we got a resort type property for you. We're sitting on over 100-acre private lake in Louisville, Arkansas. And right up on the hill here, you got over 3,000 square foot home. Folks, it's for sale. Down here on the bottom, you got your own private boat dock, and you can actually catch fish right off the dock. If you like bass fishing, man, you got some of the best bass fishing in the country right here on your own private lake. This private lake sits just inside the Holly Mound subdivision west of Louisville, Arkansas, and about 23 miles out of Texarkana, Arkansas, right on Highway 82. And in the distance there, you can see Red River just to the west. The lake is known for its bass fishing, bluegill, crappie, all kinds of fish are in this lake. Moore Lake does have a boat ramp where you can put your own personal boat in the water. It is not open to the public. Now then, we go up to the home here. Let me show you what's going on here. You got a wood walkway all the way down to the lake, and of course the home is sitting right here. It's a 2-story home, and we're fixing to go in and look at this property. Folks, if we go up on the deck, you can see it's a large deck here. All the windows show the beauty of your lake, which is, look at the lake. You can see the beauty of the lake right there. But as you come back up on the deck, of course you got your a grill right there, but you got another grill under the cover here, and it's got a gas outlet right there to where you can use the propane coming out of here. You don't have to mess with all those tanks there. But let's walk inside the home and I'll show you one lovely luxury home. Compactor, double sink, looking out at your lake. The door here goes to your barbecue grill right there. Ice machine. Notice the crown molding up the top. Bread pantry, coffee maker can sit right down here. Now headed back through the great room there, you got a balcony overlooking the whole area. You have a wood burning fireplace. That thing's about 4 foot tall right there. Then you go over into very nice, very large sunroom. And it circles back around and comes back out into the main living. Then you walk to your right, and that's the foyer with the front door there. Right here to the right is a half bath, then your mud room, your utility room, which is quite large, and a door opening up into the garage. And when you enter back through the main door there, front door, you're into the first bedroom, which is a suite. As you tour the home, you'll notice the quality craftsmanship with crown molding, floor plate. At the top of the staircase, you enter the master bedroom, complete with a fireplace there on the left and views of the lake. You know, also living in the country, every once in a while you're going to lose power here in this part of Arkansas, and but the owner has got that situated. He's got one of the big Generac propane generators right here on the property. It'll handle the power for the entire home. So if you're looking for a very private getaway where eagles play in your front yard on a semi-private lake where only the residents have access, it's right here near Louisville, Arkansas. Give me a call.